Who sent Kendall Jenner a love letter? The model and Keeping Up star uploaded a photo on her Insta story of a sweet note that was sent to her. The message, written in cursive with the name blacked out, reads, "Dear Kendall, we may be miles apart, but my love for you grows stronger and stronger by the minute. My innermost feeling is love for you. I will love you until death separates us. Right now, this separation is killing me, but in my heart I know that nothing could come close to separating us." It goes on to say, "We are united into one forever, body and soul, and I want you to know that I love you from the deepest part of my heart." Who could Kendall's mystery love be? Well, the 23-year-old has been spending a lot of time with her on-again, off-again fling Ben Simmons. Although they were romantically linked last summer, E! learned from a source in November that the pair aren't in any rush to label their relationship, but they have been seeing each other regularly. Kendall has also been linked to Anwar Hadid, and the two were spotted locking lips last June. Anwar recently confessed a lot of cryptic feelings on his Insta stories, alluding to having one-sided feelings for someone. "I wonder if I can be loved as deeply as I love," he posted.
Well, surprise, it was neither. Kendall updated us on who wrote the note, and it was none other than Bert and Marcus, two fashion photographers who adore Kendall. And can you blame them?
Thirsty for more celeb news? Make sure you subscribe to the E! News YouTube channel so you can stay informed on all the breaking updates. Come on, you know you want to be the first to know about all the latest hookups, breakups, arrests, and so much more.